As the phase 3 of the lockdown slowly comes to a close, one can see life is slowly but steadily limping back. In the phase 3, there were several relaxations which were given by the government of India. And here in Old Delhi, in the Jama Masjid area, life is slowly but steadily limping back to normal. What will happen after the 54 days end, when the phase 3 of the lockdown will end and the phase 4 will start? I don't think there are clear answers. These are days of Ramzan for this area. This is a fully Muslim populated area. And people are out because they are out to break their Ramzan fast. And life is slowly ebbing back to normal. On an average day, I would find it very hard to stand here because this place would be full of people. On earlier days of the lockdown, there were hardly a single soul on the street. As we inch towards beyond the 50 days mark, more and more people are getting back to their regular lives, especially in this area where Ramzan is being observed. Will this long lockdown help in controlling the coronavirus pandemic? Remains an open question. But the lockdown certainly helped in stopping the rapid spread of the virus. The graph is more or less flat. But will it take a dip in times to come? As more and more relaxations happen, the cases are likely to go up. And for that, people in India need to be prepared and should not panic. There would be more than one phase of the coronavirus pandemic. There would be phases in which the transmission would happen and ebb and increase. And if that happens, people need to be prepared and should not panic. As life slowly ebbs back to normal, will we see the full reopening of the economy in times to come? It's a very difficult question to answer. In Old Delhi, near the Jama Masjid, Pallav Bagla.